Did you know you can write custom formulas directly inside a pivot table without touching your raw data at all? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to use. Most people add a helper column in their raw data just to calculate something like profit margin, and then refresh the pivot table hoping it shows up correctly. Start by clicking anywhere inside your existing pivot table to activate it. Then go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab that appears in the ribbon at the top. Look for the Calculations group on the right side. In the Insert Calculated Field dialog box, give your field a name. Type something like profit margin. Then in the formula box, type equals, then revenue minus cost. Divide. Look at that. Your profit margin column now appears inside the pivot table automatically for every region, and it will recalculate instantly every single time you just learned how to create calculated fields inside pivot tables to build powerful custom formulas without ever touching your raw data.